What's going on, guys? I'm the Maha Mechanic, and today we're going to be installing a new aftermarket Porsche steering wheel on this Porsche 944. So let's get into it. So we'll start off with what we're actually installing here. So as you guys can see here, we have a Porsche branded steering wheel, and it's also a MOMO steering wheel as well, and you know, Porsche emblems everywhere. This is an actual Porsche part, genuine Porsche part. It's mainly supposed to go on 911s and stuff like that, but we have an adapter to make it fit on a 944. So here's what the box says. There's the part number if you guys are curious. There it is. But yeah, so set the box aside, and we also got a MOMO adapter hub to go with that bad boy. So let's get cracking. All right, so you want to first start off. I always like making sure my wheels are straight, just as a thing, so you can put on the wheel so it's straight again. Come out here, make sure. That looks pretty good. You want to start off by removing the horn button thing. Kind of just pulls off from the side there. Horn button comes off. The little connector in there should be connected here, but mine fell off inside. So set that aside. And then you're going to want to remove the nut on here. All right, so it's a 24 millimeter nut. So it's going to come in here. Ooh. I think I need a longer extension. I'm going to break it loose. Use your knee or something to hold it from moving. There we go. She has been broken loose. Continue to move it the rest of the way. So here's our nut. Set that aside. We'll use that later. All right, there's a little washer. It's like a little wave washer, you can see. That just adds like a springy effect to it and keeps the nut locked in there. So if you see it's all bent, it's supposed to be like that. All right, now we're good to go ahead, slide this puppy off and set this bad boy aside. All right, now it's time to put on our new MOMO hub. It has a little thing that says top right there. I want to feed that on the splines so that top is in fact at the top. And then add our little wave washer here, if you can. And then our nut. Just like that. So right now, I'm not going to tighten it down because I don't have anything to leverage. So now I'm going to get the steering wheel, bolt that onto the hub, and then before I put the horn pad in, I will tighten it down with an extension and the socket through there. Hold the steering wheel while you do it, and tighten that baby down to 33 foot-pounds. And yeah, so let's go get the steering wheel. All right, so I moved it a couple splines over just so that when I put the steering wheel on, the holes line up and the steering wheel is actually straight up and down. So just like this. It's as close to straight up and down as it's going to get. My wheels are straight right now, so I want the steering wheel to be straight. But yeah, now we can put the bolts in and tighten this baby down. So another thing, make sure you have this little, they call it a locking ring for the horn button. Make sure you have that all snug down in there, and then before you put on the steering wheel. So steering wheel goes on just like this. Now you can put in the bolts. All right, so I got all the bolts in. What I did is just put the Allen wrench like this and then tighten them down just like that. I wouldn't turn the Allen wrench this way because then that's when you're going to start breaking stuff. So anyway, now we can get our extension and socket in here, tighten up our steering wheel. It's a little loose right now. Tighten that down to 33 foot-pounds. There we go. Golly, that's tight. Ooh, no movement. All right, and now we can get the horn pad on. Put this little spring in the inside so that it pushes everything up to the outside, all these clips to the outside. And then take this just like that. And then put this bad boy on in there. Make sure it's nice and straight. Here we go. All right. One is now in there. I don't know if it works, but we'll turn it on and see what happens. Okay, I don't think my horns are plugged in, but you can hear a relay clicking, so. Steering wheel is all installed. Wow, this thing looks great. See it from the side. Love this steering wheel already. All right, so that's another job well done. If you found this video informative, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel for more. Remember, no matter your experience or your skill level, keep on improving.